Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate and instrumentation graduate. The name of the company is Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Ltd. This is the official website of the company. I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company. So now they have released an advertisement for the post of technician in mechanical, electrical and instrumentation. So see, there are various options. The first one is for advertisement, second is to download PWD certificate and OBC certificate, SCSC certificates, income certificate, etc. So right side you can download a result for the interview which will be uploaded later on. So first thing is download the advertisement. So this is the official advertisement. So see here, mechanical grade 2 they have given, and salary also they have given per month, and number of vacancies 51. So you must have diploma or BE BTech full time in mechanical from a reputed college. And same while for electrical and instrumentation also they given for same qualification. For instrumentation 28 vacancies are there, and you need to check the cutoff for determining the eligibility criteria. So application fee is a non-refundable fee of 700 rupees plus bank charges will be there. Kindly read to all the documents, each and every line very carefully. And eligibility is the candidates are required to appear for computer-based online test, information for which will be provided through admit card. The online test will be conducted in various centers of cities like Mumbai and Nagpur. Medium of test will be in Marathi, Hindi and English. No request will be allowed for change of examination center. And these are the parameters or process: online test, trade test for workman, and total 100%. So you need to apply through the online using the website from 21/3 to before 4/4/2022 5 p.m. and you need to follow all the instruction carefully step by step. If you like this video, means kindly share the video to mechanical, electrical and instrumentation people. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.